In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the new Mary Kay skincare for men called MKMen. The regimen comes in 3 steps: cleanse, shave and soothe, and hydrate. And that's the listing in the beauty book. And yes, I'm going to demonstrate all 3 steps. Now the first step is cleanse. I'm going to use like a dime size. I'm even going to put a dime size in my hand. And then show how little it takes. This is the cleansing process. And I'm going to put a little water with it. And we'll see, that much has a lot of lather. And of course, don't get it on the eyes, down the neck, forehead. And instead of having water run, I'm going to use a warm, wet facial cloth to remove that. And just rinse that out a little bit. Get ready for the next step. Okay, now, you might be wondering, why would I use the shave cream? Well, I've been getting laser hair removal treatment for, let's see, I went for like a year, and then I stopped for a year, and then I went back, and it's been almost another year. But now I'm on the regimen once every other month. And I've gotten tremendous results. If you watch my Instagram feed, you'll see that I go to LA Laser here in Las Vegas. So shout out to LA Laser. Now the second step is the moisturizing shave cream. And once again, I'm going to use another dime size. And let you see how much that lathers. A little water with it. Now a lot of people that shave, they want a lot of lather. Look at that, just a dime size. And that will take care of the little peach fuzz stragglers that I have hanging on in between my laser treatments. And one thing about the laser hair removal treatments, you do have to shave before each appointment anyway. But most of the time now, I'm just doing it for exfoliation purposes. And it only takes like a few seconds. So I'm going to get like a couple here. Under my lip. And ever so often, something on the sides here. Just a couple. Right here on the corners. And then sometimes over here on this side. But other than that, it is baby smooth. And that is it. And then if I get any stragglers in the eyebrow area, I will shave those also. because I'm getting the treatment done in my eyebrows too. Years ago, my eyebrows just stopped growing, so I was like, you know what, just laser them off. I draw them on with an eyebrow pencil every day anyway, so it doesn't matter. And so now, I'll rinse that off. With warm wet facial cloth, and kind of feels like I'm gonna have some residue on there. So what I may have to do is use a little bit of the cleanser to get the rest of that shave cream off. Especially since I'm using a towel and I'm not actually splashing water on my face. Get the rest of that off. Bear with me. It takes a little longer with the facial cloth than it does to just splash water on my face, but very clean feeling. No overbearing scent. And all set for the last step, which is the ultimate moisturizer. And once again, let's do a dime size and see what we get here. That should be enough. Right up to the eyes, but not in the eyes. Forehead. Now, depending on the moisturizer, I have combination skin, so sometimes the moisturizer breaks me out, and other times I'm okay with it. So it just depends on what my skin is doing that day. So there we have it, the MKMen skincare regimen.